In this video, I'm going to show you how to run multiple commands in PowerShell. So if you want to run multiple commands in traditional command prompt, you either have to write a batch script, or you have to type one single command manually. But in PowerShell, we can do within a single command. Let's see how we can do it. Let's assume I want to run one command ipconfig, and I want to output this in this file tech.txt. Then I will add semicolon. Then I want to run the root print command, and I can use this right shift twice because I do not want to override this file. I want to append the result into one file. So I have used a double M right shift. So type the file name. Then suppose I want to know the system info. So let's see the output. So the output will be stored in the C user, my Toshiba, and I can just input here Notepad and then the file name. So here are the result of ipconfig, root print command, and system info. This is the root print command, output of root print command, and this is the output of system info command. So in this way, we can gather the result of multiple command in one single text file. Thanks for watching.